made a few $100,000 just at your loan posting videos from my iPhone on TikTok Shop, selling products that I do not own, but when somebody like you comes in and watches my video and buys the product on my video, I get a percentage of that sale. Now, the biggest thing here is it's mainly available in the United States, Canada, and the UK. A lot of people have been asking me where to do this if you're outside of these countries. There's a few different ways, and it is fully legal, but we are gonna have to bend the rules just a little bit. So stick with me here. If you watch this entire video, you will know how to do exactly that, and hopefully we'll be able to start doing this by as soon as tomorrow. So I'm gonna jump over to my laptop and we're gonna get straight into this. All right, jumping over to my laptop here, this might seem confusing on the surface, but I promise you it's actually really simple. I have friends in Canada who are doing this, who technically should not be allowed to be posting on TikTok Shop, but they are. We're gonna use a website called Tick.cards. They sell SIM cards that plug into your iPhone, and they're programmed for different countries. So you obviously wanna buy one from an eligible country, which would be the United States. It's literally 30 euros. I think that's like $50 US. Add to your card, buy it, very simple. This gets shipped to you. I'd recommend having a second phone for this, just so that you don't have two different SIM cards. You can get a used iPhone like 8 or 9 or 12 for like a couple $100 on eBay. This obviously does cost a little bit of money, but it's nothing crazy. So once you have your US SIM card, you wanna have a US-based entity. The biggest thing is gonna be the location for your actual device that's posting these videos, which the SIM card is going to mask that with a VPN as well as a SIM card, and then your bank account for withdrawing your money, okay? It's gonna ask you for your bank and your information, so you wanna start a business entity in the United States. You can use a website like LegalZoom, they'll do everything for you, and it costs $250, or you can do it for free, or not free, but it's a little cheaper if you do it yourself, and go to like your Secretary of State's website and create an LLC yourself. It's a little more meticulous, though. You have to do it yourself, but if you use this website, you pay $250, they create you an LLC in, let's say, a state like Wyoming, right, where there's no sales tax, but it's in the United States. Now, when you set up your bank account on TikTok Shop to withdraw the funds, you're not withdrawing to your personal account, you're withdrawing to your business account, which is located in the United States. And as far as your iPhone that you're posting these videos on, as far as they're concerned, you're in the United States. Your SIM card is from the United States, and you have a VPN that is masking your location. So I know this might sound kind of sketchy and weird, but I promise you it's fully legal as long as you're just doing all these things. And it's basically just a loophole, an easy way to get around it. And that's literally it. That's the whole video. It's as simple as that. Now that you're actually ready to start posting, I'm sure you're wondering, how the hell do I post? What do I have to do? I have tons of videos all over my page explaining exactly that, so feel free to click on any of the videos that you see on screen to go watch one of my other tutorials on how to actually find products or make videos.